Chapter 3 Matrices Part 10 Exercise 3.3. Here we have to find transpose of given matrix. If A equal to matrix 5 1 by 2 minus 1, then transpose of A is denoted by A transpose and is equal to matrix 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Given matrix is a column matrix of order 3 by 1. Then transpose is a row matrix of order 1 by 3. Write this column as a row. Convert column to row. Then we get A transpose. If A equal to matrix 1 minus 1 2 3, then A transpose equal to matrix 1 2 minus 1 3. Interchanging rows and columns, we get transpose of given matrix. So write first row as first column, second row as second column. A transpose is matrix 1 2 minus 1 3. Third one, A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. Then A transpose is write first row as first column. So first column is minus 1 5 6. Second row becomes second column. So second column is root 3 5 6. Third column is 2 3 minus 1. Third column is 2 3 minus 1. So A transpose equal to matrix minus 1 root 3 2 5 5 3 6 6 minus 1. If A equal to matrix minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1 and B equal to matrix minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1, then verify that first one A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second one A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. To verify A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, we have to find A plus B. First find A plus B, then its transpose. Then find A transpose and B transpose, sum of these two matrices. Okay, LHS is A plus B whole transpose, RHS is A transpose plus B transpose. First we have to find A plus B. A plus B equal to write matrix A, then matrix B. Adding these two, add corresponding elements. Both are 3 by 3 matrices, so we can add corresponding elements. Minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus minus 5 minus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 0 9, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 1 2. This is A plus B. Now we have to find transpose of this matrix. So write first row as first column. So first column of transpose is minus 5 3 minus 2. Second column is 6 9 9. Third column is minus 1 4 2. Now find A transpose and B transpose, then add these two matrices A transpose plus B transpose equal to minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5, 5 plus 1 6, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 2 9, 1 plus 3 4. 3 plus minus 5 minus 2, 9 plus 0 9, 1 plus 1 2. A transpose plus B transpose. Now compare A transpose plus B transpose and A plus B whole transpose. Both are same matrices. So we have A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now second one, first find A minus B, matrix A minus matrix B. Minus 1 minus minus 4, that is minus 1 plus 4, which is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus minus 5, that is 3 plus 5 8. 5 minus 1 4. 7 minus 2 5. 9 minus 0 9. Then minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. 1 minus 1 0. This is A minus B. Now we have to find A minus B transpose. Now write first row as first column. So first column is 3 1 8. Second row becomes second column of transpose. So second column is 4, 5, 9. Third column is minus 3, minus 2, 0. Now this is A minus B whole transpose. Now we have to find A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose minus B transpose. Minus 1 minus minus 4. That is minus 1 plus 4, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 3 minus minus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. Now compare A dash minus B dash. Here A minus B whole transpose is matrix 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 2, 8, 9, 0. And A transpose minus B transpose is same matrix 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 2, 8, 9, 0. So we have A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now third one, if A transpose, okay, given A transpose equal to matrix 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then verify that A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And second one, A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Given A transpose, so we have to find A equal to A transpose of this matrix. A equal to A transpose whole transpose. So A equal to first row becomes first column. Second row, write it as second column. So A is 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. Now A plus B, this is our A and this is matrix B. 3 plus minus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4. This is A plus B. Now we have to find A plus B whole transpose of this matrix. Write first row as first column, second row as a second column. So A plus B whole transpose is matrix 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now find A transpose plus B transpose. This is A transpose, then plus B transpose. 3 plus minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. Now compare these two matrices. So we have A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now second one, A minus B. First find A minus B. Matrix A minus matrix B. 3 minus minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is A minus B. Find A minus B transpose. Write first row as first column. So first column of A minus B transpose is 4 minus 3 minus 1. Second row becomes second column. So second column is 3, 0, minus 2. So this is A minus B whole transpose. Now find A transpose minus B transpose. Write A transpose minus B transpose. 3 minus minus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now compare these two matrices. 4, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. These two matrices are same. So we have A minus B whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. If A transpose equal to matrix minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, then find A plus 2B whole transpose. Here given A transpose, first we have to find A equal to A transpose transpose. Then we have to find A plus 2 into B. Multiply each element by 2. Then we have to find its transpose. A plus 2B transpose. So first we will find A. A equal to A transpose transpose. So we get A equal to matrix minus 2, 1, 3, 2. Now A plus 2B, write matrix A plus 2 into matrix B. Now 2 into this matrix, multiply each element by 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Now add these two matrices, minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 4, 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 4, 6. So this is A plus 2B. Now find A plus 2B whole transpose of this matrix. First row becomes first column. So first column is minus 4, 1. Second column is 5, 6. So A plus 2B whole transpose is matrix minus 4, 5, 1, 6. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A equal to column matrix 1, minus 4, 3. B equal to row matrix minus 1, 2, 1. And second one, A equal to matrix 0, 1, 2 and B equal to matrix 1, 5, 7. Now first one, A is a 3 by 1 matrix, B is a 1 by 3 matrix. So order of the product is 3 by 3. Now this is first row. First row consists only one element. First row into first column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3. So this is A into B. Now we have to find AB transpose. So write first row as first column. First column is minus 1, 2, 1. Second row becomes second column. Second column is 4, minus 8, minus 4. And third column is minus 3, 6, 3. Okay, now this is the AB transpose. Now we have to find B transpose into A transpose. So first write A transpose. Column matrix becomes row matrix. 1, minus 4, 3. Now this is B. B transpose is minus 1, 2, 1. Column matrix. B transpose into A transpose is matrix minus 1, 2, 1 into matrix 1, minus 4, 3. Order of first matrix is 3 by 1. Order of second matrix is 1 by 3. Order of product is 3 by 3. First row into first column. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. First row into second column. Minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Then 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into 3 6. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. 1 into 3 is 3. This is B transpose into A transpose. Now compare this matrix with AB whole transpose. Both are same matrices. So we have AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now second one, A into B. First we have to find A into B. 0, 1, 2 into matrix 1, 5, 7. 3 by 1 matrix, 1 by 3 matrix. Product is a 3 by 3 matrix. First row is 0, first column is 1, 0 into 1 is 0. First row into second column, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 7, 0. Then take second row into first column, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 7 is 7. Then third row, take third row, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 7, 14. So this is A into B. Now AB transpose, first row becomes first column, 0, 0, 0. Second column 1, 5, 7. Third column 2, 10, 14. So this is our AB transpose. Now we have to find B transpose into A transpose. So write B transpose, matrix 1, 5, 7. Then write A transpose, row matrix 0, 1, 2. First row into first column, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2, 14. So comparing these two matrices, AB whole transpose and B transpose A transpose, we get AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. If first one A equal to matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A transpose A equal to I, identity matrix. Second one A equal to matrix sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha, then verify that A transpose into A equal to identity matrix I. A equal to matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A transpose is, write first row as first column. So first column of A transpose is cos alpha sin alpha, second column is minus sin alpha cos alpha. So A transpose is matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we have to find A transpose into A. So write A transpose, then matrix A. Now matrix multiplication is row into column. So multiply first row into first column. Multiply first row and first column. Sum of product of corresponding elements of row and column. So cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, minus into minus is plus, sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. Then first row into second column, cos alpha sin alpha plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now take second row into first column, sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now second row into second column, sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. Now we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1, and here we have sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, which is 0, and here also sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is 0. Here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is equal to 1. So we get matrix 1 0 0 1, which is equal to I, identity matrix. Now second one, here A equal to matrix sin alpha cos alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Now A transpose, write first row as first column, sin alpha cos alpha, second column is minus cos alpha sin alpha. So A transpose is matrix sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Now A transpose into A, write A transpose into A. Now first multiply first row by this first column, sin alpha into sin alpha sin square alpha plus minus cos alpha into minus cos alpha is cos square alpha. Now first row into second column, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now second row into first column, cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha into minus cos alpha, that is minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now second row into second column, cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha plus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. Now we have sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Now here same terms, sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, which is 0. Again sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha is 0. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So we get 1 0 0 1, which is identity matrix I. So we have A transpose into A is equal to identity matrix. Now A equal to matrix 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. We have to show that A is a symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. So we have to find A transpose. Now second one, show that the matrix A equal to matrix 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Now first one, we have to show A is a symmetric matrix. So find A transpose. Find A transpose. A transpose equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 which is equal to A. So A transpose equal to A. This is our A. Now here these elements are same elements, minus 1 minus 1. A12 equal to A21, A13 equal to A31, A23 equal to A32, 1 1. So this is a symmetric matrix. Or we have to find A transpose, then we have to show that A transpose equal to A. When A transpose equal to A, then A is a symmetric matrix. Now this is second problem, A. First find transpose of given matrix. A transpose is 0 minus 1 1, 1 0 minus 1, minus 1 1 0. Now take a minus sign outside. Take minus sign outside. So this negative terms becomes positive. Positive terms we have to write it as negative. This 1 becomes minus 1. So we get minus matrix 0 1 minus 1, minus 1 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now this is given matrix A. So this is equal to minus A. So we have A transpose equal to minus A. So given matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. First we have to find A plus A transpose, then its transpose. A matrix is said to be symmetric if P transpose equal to P. So first we have to find A plus A transpose, then its transpose. Now this is A transpose. Given matrix is 1 5 6 7. So its transpose is matrix 1 6 5 7. Now A plus A transpose is, write matrix A plus A transpose. 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14. Now find the transpose of A plus A transpose. Write first row as first column, second row as a second column. So we get A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to matrix 2 11 11 14, and this is equal to A plus A transpose. So we have A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Here A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Now second one, A minus A transpose. Write A minus A transpose. 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 7 0. This is A minus A transpose. Then its transpose. Write first row as first column, second row as a second column. Now take a minus sign outside. We get minus matrix 0 minus 1 1 0. This minus 1 becomes 1. So 1 0. Now this is equal to A minus A transpose. So we get minus of A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Here A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to minus of A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Ninth one, find 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose when A equal to matrix 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus A 0. So first we have to find A transpose, then A plus A transpose half into A plus A transpose, then we have to find A minus A transpose half into A minus A transpose. A equal to 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus A 0. A transpose, write first row as first column of A transpose. So first column is 0 AB, second column minus A 0 C, third column minus B minus C 0. So this is our A transpose. Now we have to find A plus A transpose. So write A plus A transpose. 0 plus 0 0, A plus minus A 0 B plus minus B 0, minus A plus A 0, 0 plus 0 0, C plus minus C 0, minus B plus B is 0, minus C plus C 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So A plus A transpose is a 0 matrix. So half into A plus A transpose, multiply each element by 1 by 2. So we get matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 matrix. Now we have to find A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. 0 minus 0 0, A minus minus A, that is A plus A 2A. B minus minus B, B plus B 2B. Minus A is minus 2A, 0 minus 0 0. C minus minus C, that is C plus C 2C. Minus B is minus 2B. Minus C minus is minus 2C. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now taking 2 outside, we get 0AB minus A 0C minus B minus C 0. So 1 by 2 into matrix A minus A dash is 1 by 2 into 2 into this matrix. So we get matrix 0AB minus A 0C minus B minus C 0. So this is 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Express following matrices as sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. First one, matrix 3 5 1 minus 1. To express a matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, first we have to find A transpose and we have to write A as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So first we have to find A transpose. Transpose of A, write first row as first column, second row as a second column. Then find A plus A transpose. First write A plus A transpose. 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 1 6, 1 plus 5 6, minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2. This is A plus A transpose. Now A minus A transpose, write matrix A minus A transpose. 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 1 minus minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. A minus A transpose is matrix 0 4 minus 4 0. Now we have to write A as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. This part is symmetric and second part is skew symmetric matrix. So half into matrix 6 6 6 minus 2 plus half into matrix 0 4 minus 4 0. Multiply each element by this 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2 3, 6 by 2 3, again 6 by 2 is 3, minus 2 by 2 minus 1, and half into 0 0, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, 0 by 2 is 0. So this is the answer. A as sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Now second one, A equal to matrix 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Now A transpose, write first row as first column, 6 minus 2 2. Second row becomes second column. So second column is minus 2 3 minus 1. Third column is 2 minus 1 3. Now A plus A transpose, write A plus A transpose. 6 plus 6 12, minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 2 plus 2 4, minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 3 6, minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2, 3 plus 3 6. So this is our A plus A transpose. Now we have to find A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. 6 minus 6 0, minus 2 minus minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 minus minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0, all terms are zeros, that is skew symmetric part is 0. So this matrix A is half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So multiplying each element by half, we get matrix A plus second matrix is 0 matrix. Skew symmetric part is a 0 matrix. It is because given matrix is a symmetric matrix. Here given matrix is 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. It's a transpose is equal to A. Given matrix is a symmetric matrix, so its skew symmetric part is 0 matrix. Now third one, A equal to matrix 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Now A transpose, write first row as first column. So first column of A transpose is 3 3 minus 1. Second column minus 2 minus 2 1. Third column minus 4 minus 5 2. Now A plus A transpose, write A plus A transpose. 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus minus 2 1 minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 1 minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4 1 plus minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 plus minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 2 plus 2 4. This is A plus A transpose. Now A minus A transpose, A minus A transpose. 3 minus 3 0 3 minus minus 2 3 plus 2 5 minus 1 minus minus 4, that is minus 1 plus 4, which is 3 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 minus 2 minus minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0 1 minus minus 5 1 plus 5 6 minus 4 minus minus 1 minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 2 minus 2 0. This is A minus A transpose. Now we have to write A equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose, sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. That is A equal to half into symmetric matrix, A plus A transpose plus half into a skew symmetric matrix. So this is our answer, half into matrix 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4 plus half into matrix 0 5 3 minus 5 0 6 minus 3 minus 6 0. Now fourth one, A equal to matrix 1 5 minus 1 2. Now A transpose, first row becomes first column. So first column is 1 5, second column is minus 1 2. Now A plus A transpose, A plus A transpose, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus minus 1 4, minus 1 plus 5 4, 2 plus 2 4. A minus A transpose, 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus minus 1, 5 plus 1 6, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, 2 minus 2 0. Now write A as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So half into A plus A transpose, matrix 2 4 4 4 plus half into matrix 0 6 minus 6 0. Now multiplying each element by this half, we get 1 2 2 2. Now half into this matrix, that is 0 3 minus 3 0. So A is sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. If A and B are symmetric matrices, we have to prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Now second one, show that AB is symmetric if and only if AB equal to BA. Now given that A and B are symmetric matrices, so A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. We have to prove that AB minus BA equal to skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Since A and B are symmetric, A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. Now take AB minus BA transpose. Now we know that A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now this is of the form C minus D transpose. C minus D transpose equal to C transpose minus D transpose. So we get AB transpose minus BA transpose. And we know that AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose using properties of transpose. AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. Now BA transpose is A transpose into B transpose. So B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose, and we know that B transpose is B, A transpose is A. So this term becomes BA minus AB. Now take a minus sign outside. So this is equal to minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA whole transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Here we have AB minus BA transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Now second one, A and B are symmetric matrices. We have to show that AB is symmetric if and only if AB equal to BA. Here there are these sentences of the form P if and only if Q. P if and only if Q. That is P implies Q and Q implies P. So we have to prove, first take P is true, then we have to prove that Q is true. Then second part is we have to take second part, this Q is true, then we have to show that P is true. So first we will prove that AB symmetric implies AB equal to BA. Okay, first we will prove AB is symmetric. Assume AB is symmetric, then we will get AB equal to BA. Now AB is symmetric implies AB transpose equal to AB. A matrix is said to be symmetric if its transpose equal to that matrix itself. Since AB is symmetric, AB transpose equal to AB. Now we know that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose, that's equal to AB. Now B transpose is B because B is symmetric, A is symmetric, so A transpose is equal to A. So we get from this equation we get B. B transpose is B, A transpose is A. So BA equal to AB. Or this equation we can write it as AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. So AB is symmetric implies AB equal to BA. AB is symmetric implies AB equal to BA. Now we have to take reverse order. First we have to assume AB equal to BA. Okay, let take AB equal to BA. Then we have to prove that AB is symmetric. AB is equal to BA. Now taking transpose on both sides we get AB transpose equal to BA transpose. Take transpose on this both side of this equation. Taking transpose on both sides. AB transpose equal to BA transpose. That is AB transpose equal to BA transpose. Now this BA transpose is A transpose into B transpose. BA transpose is A transpose into B transpose. Now since A is symmetric, A transpose is A. B is symmetric, B transpose is B. So we get AB. So AB transpose equal to AB. AB transpose equal to AB. So clearly AB is symmetric. So AB equal to BA implies AB is symmetric. So we have this result. AB is symmetric if and only if AB equal to BA. Now next one, if A equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A transpose equal to I if value of alpha is dash. A equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A transpose equal to I if the value of alpha is dash. Now this is matrix A plus its transpose. Write first row as first column, second row as second column, and given that this is equal to identity matrix I 1 0 0 1. Now adding these two matrices, cos alpha plus cos alpha to cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha is 0, sin alpha plus minus sin alpha 0, cos alpha plus cos alpha is 2 cos alpha, and it is equal to 1 0 0 1. So equating these two matrices, equate corresponding elements. 2 cos alpha equal to 1, cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. Cos alpha equal to 1 by 2 if alpha equal to pi by 3. So value of alpha is pi by 3. Okay, thank you.